Hello everyone, for this video on simple three-dimensional problems, we are actually going to look at how trigonometry can be used to solve three-dimensional problems. 3D for short. Okay, it has wide application in construction engineering and architecture. Okay, and when we draw a three-dimensional object on a plane, which is a two-dimension plane, the 90-degree, this is something useful to take note, may not appear as a right angle, but it is a right angle. Okay, so for example, in this diagram here, this point A is actually vertically on top of this plane, but this is actually a right angle. This is also a right angle, A and Q. Do take note, angle A and Y is 90-degree because A is vertically on top of N. Similarly, angle A and Q is also 90-degree. So if I were to extend this, A and P is also 90-degree, and A and X is also 90 degrees. Okay, so when we are trying to solve 3D diagrams, right, 3D problems, right, we are actually looking at triangles in different planes, and by sketching the individual plane figures like the right angle triangle, it helps us to visualize this relationship, and it is particularly useful for us to solve 3D problems. So what's the key? The key is really identify the appropriate right angle triangles, and where by extension, since it is a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem, we can use Torcaso to solve it. So let's move on to see some of the examples that I will be sharing with everyone on how to apply this approach. Alright,